This is Gaurav Agarwal, co-founder, co-founders Planet, and essentially I've made this video to talk in details about the game plan and what exactly the co-founders Planet is all about, which is essentially a part of Domestica Services LLP. So let us get going. So first about the idea itself, Co-founder Planet is a dedicated technology platform for the CXO hirings and co-founders matching. How it actually erupted, while I was talking to more and more startup owners, they all came up with this one problem that they might be an expert in one domain, but they need another expert. Say I am a chartered accountant, so I might be good at finance. But what about the technical side of the business? What about the marketing aspect? So for all these specific domains, every startup owner is either looking for a CXO or a co-founder. Now, it is very easy for those who are having good amount of funds to invest. But what about others who are actually bootstrapped? That is how Co-Founders Planet was born. The platform, it helps the startups, companies, and the CXOs through branding, resume highlighter, and the job postings. So the idea itself initiated in 2020, and we felt the need more during these pandemic times. Now, what is the market gap? There is a high cost of finding the right employee, that is the senior leadership for the right job. We are also, a part of SMBA consultants, wherein we charge 8.33% of the gross annual salary, which for senior leadership and for a startup is an additional cost, additional package. Second, there is inexperienced CXO or the senior leadership available in the market, because most of the times the platform, even some of them who are promoting the CXOs or the so-called co-founders, are not actually validated by the platform. So that is another problem in the entire market. Third is, as I already mentioned, the limited exposable funds for these startups who cannot afford a co-founder, the high salary, or probably the hiring cost itself. Fourth is, there is no special platform who only deals with this niche crowd, that is the executive personnel or the co-founders in India. What is our solution? Our solution is very simple. We are developing this aggregated platform for these kind of people only, for the CXOs and co-founders. You will get a database of experienced and professional workforce. And most importantly, for the bootstrapped, this is a very beautiful idea wherein we are providing them an opportunity to hire these CXOs and co-founders not only against money, but some defined terms of compensation. It might be an ESOP or probably some revenue sharing arrangement, anything. Fourth, for the startups, we also are coming up with this branding opportunity which they can do on our platform. Talking about the service offerings, resume highlighter, which actually will solve this problem of validation for the CXOs and co-founders profiles. Second, the startups can come on the platform, do a job posting that, okay, these are the criteria wherein I require a candidate. Third, they can also do a database search. So what kind of people we have, they can actually come to our platform and search these candidates. Fourth, as I say, the branding for startups. So there are different packages related to each of the revenue streams for us. Now, what is our background? We are have served more than 650 clients across 15 countries through our growing HR franchise network by the name of SMBA Consultants. So now the other marketing strategy is coming in the next slide. We will also actually tie up with more and more startups and do the SEO, the digital marketing, the search engine marketing as well. Now, we will emphasize on the electronic medium, articles, blogs, through the e-magazines, through the pink paper, because all these deals now available at a very crazy prices, very simple, easy, and good discounts are available. And we'll also participate in various online kind of events, hackathons, startup related pitch competitions, etc., so that we can actually aim at our target market, which I'll discuss eventually. So the key features, again, dedicated platform, automatic and tech enabled, competitive pricing, as well as software navigation. We want to keep it as very, very simple. Now, our target market: startups, corporates, CXOs, and co-founders. Now, some of the competitors already in the market includes Co-Founders Lab, remotely Naukri.com, but it is only in terms of the job portal element. They have recently acquired iimjobs as well. So Founders Nation as well. And Naukri.com is an Indian competitor, rest two are out of India. The differentiator we have already discussed multiple times. I'll not brag about that. So our path, February to April itself, we have registered our brand trademark under Domestica Services LLP. We have created a social media buzz as well, by releasing problem statement in the words of existing industry stalwarts. In May itself, we got the Startup India recognition, DIPP recognition itself, and also blocked cxohiring.com because the market needed that. We saw so many pink slips in the market. All these CXOs were actually shown the door. So we thought that, okay, not only tapping the co-founders, let us also add the CXOs in the platform. And in June, we actually engage with influencers, mentors, accelerators, and incubators. In the same process, we actually started with AIC Triple ITK. We became their authorized vendor and also tried and talked to more and more startups through that. We tied up with Vakil Search as well. Okay. And then in July, we created more online buzz with Kaam Ki Baat. So Kaam Ki Baat was a 6-episode season 1, wherein we were trying to talk to industry stalwarts, industry best speakers, and through them we were trying to validate the idea as well. Okay. And also we were talking to more and more companies, startup owners. Probably we went to startup schools, so we were talking to these fellows as well, and they all were in love with the idea. They all wanted that whenever we are releasing, let us be informed about that idea. Now, a financial snapshot. So I'll definitely be sharing the details as well in my another Excel workbook, wherein these financial snapshot and the details will be there. Now the investment, everything will be there in the Excel as well. Now the contact details. Now what I'll do is I'll actually quickly take you guys through the platform itself, how the platform. Okay, here we go. So this is our basically the homepage itself, wherein you can actually see the latest jobs are there, the company related information, the co-founders contact. So what I've done is I've actually logged in from a co-founders account. Okay, so here also I have you can see the similar co-founder account, and here, yeah. So what we have done is, so when you actually click there, so when you go to the co-founder, you can actually see what kind of industries are there, what kind of job openings, say RCCM is there. And this is the branding opportunity I was talking about. Can you see that? So Mercury Plan is a bigger logo, then comes Saturn, where some more logos are there, then come Uranus. The logos are becoming smaller because the packages are quite different. So this is a branding opportunity I was talking about. Now the job posting, these are the job posting with these companies are actually doing. See, so RCCM job is there. You can see the software developer, okay, to handle the software developer, this 10 to 12 lakhs per annum. So these are the recent kind of jobs that has been updated. So what this very simple platform wherein you can go to my account and see the dashboard. And if you are say a co-founder, you can go and check, you can edit your profile, you can buy your package, you can notice your activity, whatever jobs you want to apply for, that also you can do. Similar platform is there for the companies aspect as well, wherein you can go register and try and see, do a job posting, buy the branding packages. A very seamless kind of platform for two parties, the co-founders and the companies or the startups. Okay, so hope you like it, you like the entire experience. www.cofoundersplanet.com. I'm very much open to advisory and more suggestion, because the UI UX and the entire platform experience we want to improve eventually. During the COVID itself, we have started a plan wherein we are dedicating a relationship manager for all these startups, and we have rolled out an offer of 9997, and the amount needs to be paid only after the startup is finding the actual match. So hope as Co-Founders Planet we can actually serve and bring more value to the startup ecosystem as well. All right. Thank you for noticing this, and thank you for being with me. Bye. Thank you.